Why important Montana's case attracted national attention. Montana was a high-profile battlefield for a fight against medical procedures for transsexual minors in many state legislative organs this year. In the month of April, it became one of the 22 states to ban adolescents, hormone treatment and operations containing hormone treatment and surgeries. In a 47-page decision, Judge Jason Marks wrote that if the law enters into force, it shows that the plaintiffs would be irreparable. The judge wrote that record of the legislative debate on draft law was against animus and transsexual people. Hakim misrepresented nature of treatments and included the statements of deputies who transfers the gender transition to personal, moral or religious approval. Judge Marks, who previously worked as prosecutors and public defenders, was appointed to the current role in 2019 by former Democratic Governor Steve Bullock. Background ban led to a brutal debate in Montana. Montana, first open transsexual woman elected to the state legislature, Zooey Zephyr, has been a glare point in debate on their transsexual rights after being banned about a speech that he warned his colleagues to be blood in their hands. Republican Governor Greg Gianforde, supporting the ban, Montana protects his children from permanent, life-changing medical procedures until he becomes adult and mature enough to take such serious health decisions, he said. In July, 3 Montana Family 2 medical experts who have a transsexual child filed a lawsuit in Missoula Regional Court and claimed that law violated various protections guaranteed by state constitution, the right to protecting law in accordance with law, about right of medical care, privacy of parents' decision to make decisions. The chief public prosecutor's office claimed that the deputies have the right to prohibit a medical field that they see as experimental and dangerous. For the state, the lawyers, who is a rational approach, is known as careful waiting olmayan that requires psychotherapy that some people say they regret later but require medical interventions. What's next? The case is one of the few people played throughout the country. A precautionary decision was the first part of the resolution of a legal struggle. Lawyers, who challenge these prohibitions, say that the courtrooms are better than legislative organs to discuss the effectiveness and security of these medical procedures. Katherine Mistretta, a family nurse practitioner who is one of the plaintiffs in the Montana case, said, "What we apply here is not voodoo." Montana's Attorney General Austin Knudsen, a Republican, promised defending the ban. A spokesman, Emily Flower, "The new law, the contract cannot enter or get cigarettes or alcohol. Montana provides discreet protection for children," he said.